Now let's talk about what is bureaucratic management. Bureaucratic management is a theory developed by Max Weber. This theory emphasizes a structured, formal network of relationships among specialized positions in an organization. Weber advocated for a system based on a clearly defined rules and a hierarchy of authority. The main principles of bureaucratic management include: first is clear hierarchy, a well-defined chain of command where each level of the organization is under the control of a higher one. Second is division of labor. Tasks are divided into specific roles, each with its own set of responsibilities and duties. Third is formal rules and regulations, standardized guidelines and procedures to ensure uniformity and control. Fourth is impersonality. Decisions are made based on established rules and procedures rather than personal preferences or relationships. And last is merit-based advancement. Hiring and promotion are based on qualification, skills, and performance, not on personal connections. Thank you and happy learning.